So the reason that we run these workshops is to really give an in-depth, holistic look at DealerCenter. With DealerCenter, we have so many features. We have CRM systems, DMS, online ad posts. There's so many different things that we do within the system. The point of this event was to really show them all the tools they have available at their fingertips.
We do a full 8-hour workshop that kind of goes through myself and other people that will train specific people at the dealership how to use every step or every piece of the software so that they're really effective using DealerCenter.
The great thing about workshops like this is we get a lot of really good feedback from the dealers on what products they want us to improve, develop, maybe features they've seen from other DMS systems. And we really take that to heart and we bring it to our product development team so that they can work hard on improving our product year after year.
I think that it's really hard on a day-to-day basis for a dealer to train and learn all of the features. We tend to focus on what we need at that time and not plan ahead. So by coming to a workshop, then the dealer can focus on training and planning and be able to understand our system and learn everything that we have to offer in a situation where they don't have any distractions. And that's really what they need, is to focus on what we have now and what they need.
Well, today I got quite a bit surprises, to be honest, what I learned. We want to learn. We're hungry. We're thirsty. We have this, appetite to learn more because it's really effective for our business, and therefore we can grow from here. As a small guy, well, I want to get to the top, and we want to be together so we can grow.
So far, the feedback of the DealerCenter workshops have been really good. They learned a lot. One of the biggest things that they tell us is that they don't know half of the things that DealerCenter has to offer. And that's really big for us. As much as we market and we talk to them and we call them, there's still so much in the system to learn, and that's where we get a really good time with them face to face and a really good benefit to them.
We had a really good turnout today. So our workshop today was hosted in Los Angeles at DealerCenter headquarters, but we actually had a couple dealerships come from out of state, some from Louisiana, some from Florida, and then a lot from all over Southern California. And we had a really good mix of dealers, some dealers who have been in business 10 plus years, multiple locations, 400 cars, down to a dealer who's been in business for 3 weeks who has only 1 car in his inventory. So it was a really good diverse mix of dealers.
When you go to an actual place to learn, you really open yourself up to get better at what you're doing, and so that's what we try to do here, which made it really special and really effective for everybody that attended.